Careers in Healthcare Through Innovative Pathways, CHIP, presented by Team Norse. Within the next decade, the number of healthcare workers in our region is projected to dramatically decrease. The time is now to invest in recruiting and sustaining new talent into the field. Understaffing leads to burnout, which has been intensified by the ongoing pandemic. Given that the 10-year demand for RNs reaches over 32,000 when accounting for turnover, it is imperative that this issue is addressed in order to meet the healthcare needs of our region. Healthcare careers need a communication plan that, first, educates students about the breadth of healthcare careers at multiple achievement points to ensure that they feel as if they have plenty of job options and aren't locked into one career forever. Second, reminds students what's good about the career. Third, coordinates the messages of regional health career partners to ensure that there is a clear goal to address burnout in the industry and recruit new talent. Fourth, expands awareness of current programs to reflect desired outcomes, including buffers to burnout, such as individual mentoring, scholarship, and employment opportunities.
Our plan begins with assembling a leadership team that coordinates with local hospital, community liaisons, and outreach professionals to execute the communication and outreach campaign. The leadership team will develop a program with multiple achievement points that allows students to rotate through a diverse spectrum of healthcare careers. It will increase available opportunities for high school juniors and seniors to work and volunteer in healthcare settings, and it will also offer interested students and their parents access to career support and mentorship throughout their high school education transition into college and potentially into the workforce. The final piece of our plan will incentivize completion of existing programming with scholarship, internship, or employment. Our plan uses research-based methods to attract emerging talent by engaging potential healthcare students and boosting innovation. Our plan builds on already existing programs. It does not need to be completely developed as it is already based on created and funded programs. It gives students an opportunity to decide what kind of degree program will be best for their goals, such as associates, bachelor's, or more. It also provides an additional support system for healthcare students. Students are able to network and learn from current healthcare professionals, as well as maintain contact throughout the program and throughout their education and career. In researching this problem and possible pathways forward, we learned of many great programs and networks in the region that expose students to their healthcare careers for the first time. Our solution focuses on changing the negative perception that students have about healthcare education and careers by promoting and building on local programming.
How will our program reduce burnout? Scholarships will aid students financially so they won't become overworked before they actually enter a career. Participants will build relationships with peers and mentors that will help establish a long-term support system, and it will ensure that participants enter the area of the healthcare field they are passionate about by allowing them to experience different areas within the healthcare system. Why is it the best option? Our solution addresses the early causes of burnout. Instead of just providing a temporary fix, our solution goes to the root of the problem, creating strong foundations for future healthcare professionals. Our plan gets students involved earlier. Students are exposed to the healthcare field so they have a better understanding of what the field has to offer. It attracts future healthcare workers who truly want to work in healthcare. This program gives students a greater look at the industry, attracting and retaining people who truly want to be there. This program allows future healthcare workers an opportunity to look at countless careers in the industry. It gives students the opportunity to decide what they specifically want to go into, ensuring that they are content with their choice by the time they have completed their education. In conclusion, our program, Careers in Healthcare Through Innovative Pathways, addresses healthcare worker burnout by making the pathways to a healthcare career more attainable and giving them a lived experience within the healthcare field.